So when you're installing the transmission skid for the 6th gen 4Runner, you're going to be either using your hybrid skid or your non-hybrid. They share the same hardware kit. The only difference is that the hybrid skid is 7 inches longer than the non-hybrid skid. Again, they use the same hardware kit, so for installation purposes, they are the same. Hi, I'm Dan, and today we're going to show you how to install the transmission skid on the 6th generation Toyota 4Runner. For tools, you will need a ratcheting wrench, a 12mm socket, a 13mm socket, a 7/32 Allen key, as well as a 9/16 box end wrench. For hardware, you're going to receive 4 M8 by 35mm bolts, 4 5/16 washers, 8 3/8 button head bolts, 11 3/8 washers, 1 3/8 by 1.5 inch button head bolt, 2 3/8 lock nuts, 1 3/8 snap nut, 1 3/8 snap in nut plate, and 2 1/2-inch washer plates. So to start the transmission install, we don't have any plastic pieces in here. If you do have a plastic guard, you're going to need to remove that. The first steps of the install, once those are removed, is to place the skid on top of our front skid because they overlap. And then you're going to have a 3/8 carriage bolt, and you're going to be putting them through these holes here, and that's how you're going to secure the back end. So you're going to set it in here, bring the skid up, and attach that bolt to hold it in place. If you have somebody to help you install, this would be a good time to get their assistance. So we went ahead and installed both doors on the transmission skid. I'd recommend installing it before, but you're more than welcome to put it on after it's installed as well. Thanks for watching the install for the 6th gen Toyota 4Runner. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visiting caliraisedled.com to get more awesome products just like these.